So it's Thursday and we are out in nowhere. We did a little off-roading with the Ultra to get here, and we are horseback riding today. And as you can see, the bike is a little worse the wear for the amount of bugs in this area. And we came up this road for about 5 miles, as you'll see in the video. But it's some fun, so we're gonna try our hand at horseback riding and see how this goes. This may be my last vlog ever. Can I pedal? Hi. How are you?
This is Jasmine here.
Hi, Jasmine.
And this is Diamond. We're gonna pull out Dixie. We're gonna keep Diamond and we're gonna pull out Dixie.
Okay.
Oh, it's not intimidating at all. I got this.
Hold up.
Hi, Dixie. How are ya?
So you can kind of hand your reins one side with each hand. We use directional steering for them, so that just means whichever direction you want to go, that's the side you're going to pull. So if you want to go to the right, you're going to use your right rein and pull to the right. If you want to go to the left, you'll use your left rein and pull to the left.
So see, Dixie, you got 1 horsepower. I got like 80. But you're more scary. I'm just going to be straight up honest.
Yeah, there's hardly nobody wearing masks. The population is so small and so hard to like most of the local.
Yeah. Good girl. No, we're coming. That's my girl.
Please don't do that. It's just gonna rack me into a tree. Watch out for the tree, babe.
Woo! Pick it up. Throw it up over top of you. Perfect.
All right, there's a bunch of big tree stumps down here. Just be careful.
Dixie, I thought you would have had your head up and walked right over top of it. That's what she normally does. She's like, I got this. Picks her up and just mouths through everything.
Woo. Careful.
I don't even like realize it.
Oh, 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 whoa, whoa. Okay. Careful.
I was trying to
Oop.
like kind of jump along.
Gotcha. Even my son, who had never eaten ribs before, liked it. I was just like, this is phenomenal. She really likes to be on the edge of things. Oh boy, here we go. Right into it.
Your camera's dead?